Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, from finance to healthcare, from manufacturing to education. But with innovation comes new challenges: data privacy, algorithmic bias, ethical risks. Who ensures AI is safe, transparent, and compliant? The answer is ISO, IEC 42001-2023, the world's first international artificial intelligence management system standard. Here in Asia, DQSHK provides ISO 42001 certification services, guiding organizations through gap analysis, audits, and continuous monitoring. ISO 42001 was officially published in December 2023. It follows the familiar, it's a high-level structure with 10 clauses covering scope, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and continual improvement. What makes ISO 42001 unique is its explicit requirement for AI risk assessment and AI impact assessment. Organizations must evaluate not only operational risks, but also the wider impact on individuals, society, and the public interest. These results directly determine which Annex A controls are required, and every inclusion or exclusion must be justified in the statement of applicability. In practice, conducting an AI risk assessment means defining a formal process to identify risks such as data bias, model drift, misuse, or privacy breaches, and evaluating the likelihood and consequences of each risk. Meanwhile, an AI impact assessment focuses on the broader effects of deploying AI systems. This includes unintended consequences, misuse scenarios, and the long-term impact on people and communities. Annex A of ISO 42001 specifically requires organizations to document these impact assessments and tie them to decision-making and accountability chains. Finally, the standard requires a robust risk treatment plan, ensuring that mitigation measures are applied in reality, not just on paper. Annex A provides the detailed control objectives for AI governance. Key areas include AI system lifecycle management from design and development to deployment and monitoring, data governance to ensure data quality and integrity, fairness and bias detection, along with monitoring for performance drift, explainability to make AI decisions transparent, stakeholder communication and accountability frameworks, supplier and third-party management clarifying shared risk responsibilities. These controls must be integrated into daily operations. For example, any new AI model release or data source change should trigger a fresh risk and impact assessment. Ongoing monitoring must ensure transparency and fairness throughout the AI lifecycle. Why does ISO 42001 certification matter for organizations? First, it ensures regulatory compliance, especially with the upcoming EU AI Act and similar frameworks worldwide. Second, it builds trust with customers and stakeholders. Certified organizations are seen as reliable and accountable. Third, it boosts market competitiveness. Compliance is becoming a license to operate in AI-driven industries. At DQSHK, we support this process by conducting gap analysis to identify missing Annex A controls, auditing AI risk and impact assessments to validate real-world effectiveness, and providing ongoing surveillance audits to ensure continuous monitoring of bias drift and transparency. This makes DQSHK your trusted partner for implementing and certifying ISO 42001 AI management systems. In summary, ISO IEC 42001-2023 marks a milestone in global AI governance. By embedding AI risk assessment, impact assessment, and Annex A controls into your management system, you not only meet compliance, you strengthen trust and authority. If your organization is preparing for ISO 42001 certification, DQSHK offers complete services from initial assessments to certification audits and continuous oversight. Visit our official website to learn more or contact our experts directly. Thank you for watching. And remember, in the AI era, true innovation must be built on safety, compliance, and trust.